Hi, my name is Aaron Delisi and this is first tutorial about the programming language. Let's start with what is the programming language. So what is the programming language? The programming language is a programming language developed and designed by one person, by me. And unlike other programming languages which try to solve specific problems in specific stage of development, for example, C++ is a programming language that can solve any problem, but it takes a lot of time to solve it. And for example, Swift programming language is a programming language that can solve any problem, and it is fast, but it only works on macOS and iOS. So the programming language tries to combine all this into one programming language and solve all the problems for everyone. So let's jump into installation. How do you install the programming language? To install the programming language, we open the Lang.io website. We scroll down and we click on Docs. Here on this page, we scroll down a bit and we click on Install and use CLI. CLI is a command line interface which allows us to use the programming language. And when we click on it, we see the installation page. And if you are on Unix, it means you are running Linux or macOS, you can just copy this line and paste it into your terminal or command line. If you are on Windows, you can copy this line and paste it into your PowerShell command line, I guess. Yes, I think something like this. So you copy, so I'm on macOS and I copy the first one. So we click copy, we open terminal, we click paste, and we click enter. And we see an error. And if you see an error, it means that you are running not from the root user. So it means that you need to copy this line, click paste, and add sudo in front of the bash on Unix. So when you run it, you will see a message that it was successfully installed. And to verify that it was successfully installed, we will copy this command and paste it here and click enter. And it will output all the possible commands that we can use with the programming language. So it means that the programming language was installed on your system. Okay, we installed the programming language, now what? Next we need to install Visual Studio Code. And to do this we go to codevisualstudio.com website and we click on download button here. Okay, but because I have it already installed, I will cancel the download. Once you install the programming language, it will look something like this. Next, we need to install the programming language extension. And to do this, we go to the extensions and we type here the programming language. And the first extension we install, and now we can use the programming language. And to do this, we create an empty file, we click on select a language, we type here the, click on the, and now we have the programming language file. So we can write anything here, for example our famous Hello World program, and we can save this file onto your desktop, Hello World for example, save, and now we have our first program written in the programming language. Once we have our first program, we go to the terminal, we clear the prompt, we type here the run hello world, and it will run our program and it will output the result, which is hello world. Alright, this is it for now. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one.